All right, ready?
Yes. Ready. Wait. Wait. But she really wants
Shake the tree. Shake the tree.
Shake the tree.
Yeah.
7, 8. There's 8 apples.
Shake the
Shake the tree. Shake the tree.
Why is she taking the tree?
How's she gonna get the apples?
Only a giant can shake the tree.
You're trying to take the tree,
guys, okay?
Why does he like hard? Shake the tree. 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 Hey, guys, right now I see
Got 14.
14.
Because there's 14 of us. 14 guys. That's why. I'm going to take my 8 and then it's going to be nighttime. And the girl's going to close and can't. Then I'm going to kick her out of the school. 40 plus 20.
I got some more.
And look what I made
You
yesterday.
have so much
Guys,
already. 100 plus 100 is 250 plus 50
I
is
made a popsicle
100.
yesterday. Look at you have so much.
4 plus 4 is
There's so much. Popsicle.
2 by 2. 2 by 2.
You guys,
2
I
by
have more.
2.
Whoa! You have so much. Cool. And I made a lollipop yesterday.
Did you get 14?
We'll figure that out. So we have small ones,
Maybe we can get them in pickup.
medium ones. Look at the size is different, huh? And look at the shape. And then we have some big ones. Look at that. All from the tree.
Cool. 6, medium, small.
Cool, right?
Yeah.
I'll slice one up later and I'll show you guys what it tastes like. Okay?
Medium, small.
All right. I'm gonna get it out of the freezer and I'm gonna. Oh, it kind of looks like it.
Medium, small.
Rainbow.